Corrections are typically understood to mean short-term movements in price in the direction opposite the primary trend, after which the movement in the original direction is resumed. This means that the price was moving in a certain direction before the correction. In other words, the price dilly-dallies before continuing movement in the initial direction. A correction differs from a U-turn in continuing price movement. While a U-turn, the price moves in the direction opposite the original direction after the correction takes place. Technical analysis demands specific skills from its practitioners. You can compare it to driving a car. We don't mean to discriminate against women, but it has been scientifically demonstrated that women make a much greater effort to learn how to drive a car than men on average. It all boils down to modes of thought. Women generally think visually, so once they follow a route, they remember it very well, since they automatically recall the landmarks on the route that help to orient them. But women have a hard time following a map, since a map is a scheme. Men can pick out the right route on a map quicker than women, since their mode of thought is more logical. While driving, the man's brain checks the route against the map, and he pays no attention whatsoever to landmarks, except, of course, for women he sees on the road, but they won't help him remember that way. So, to bring the analogy back to technical analysis, some people need more time with it and some need less. It is very easy to get confused when reading a description, so be sure to read and imagine how the price itself is moving on the graph. You can imagine that the price is you, if it is easier to remember that way. Okay, it's time to get serious. Corrections await.